In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off HDR here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you do need to do is go ahead and go to the campaign tab. So just hit pause real quick. It's going to immediately put you in the pause menu. Tab over to the campaign tab right here and scroll down and select settings. From the left hand side menu, what you need to do is scroll down and you're going to see a video section on here. Go ahead and select that and open it up and then scroll down on here and you're going to see an HDR option on here. If you're using an HDR supported display, you should be able to move the setting to the left or to the right to turn HDR on. I actually don't have HDR currently plugged in. But obviously, if your screen does not support HDR, the option may just be fully grayed out or it'll look something like this, like it is for me right now. That's the full process, though. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, don't hesitate to ask them down in the comment section below. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And of course, before you do leave this guide, it really does help us out if you could like the video and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does let us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.